And now, if you're in chronic pain, this may be a stretch that'll kind of release your back. If we call it couch yoga. That is not couch potato yoga, it's couch yoga. So next we're gonna come up. First, we're gonna put our arm across the opposite side, grab onto that knee, and then bring our arm up. Take a deep breath, and then lean over and to the side, and take your neck up. Feels good. Back up. This arm on the other side. Arm up. Leaning over and turning your head into that arm. Breathing and enjoying the stretch, twisting into it as much as you can handle.